What if I told you your expensive hair product may not be failing because they are bad, but because your hair follicles are literally undernourished? See, many women are trying to grow healthy hair externally, while internally their body is running low on one of the most important nutrients for hair growth. Are you ready for this? Da-da-da-da-da-da. Iron. And when iron level dropped, ladies, hear me out. The body started making survival decision. Meaning this, your body will prioritize oxygen for your brain, heart, and organ before it prioritizes growing thick, healthy, luscious hair. So if you have been dealing with excessive shedding, chronic fatigue, weak edges, slow growth, brittle strength, a hair that is brittle, constant exhaustion, your hair may be trying to tell you something deeper. And today, we are talking about the hidden connection between low iron and hair thinning in women over 35. Are you ready for this? Let's get going. Welcome back to Queen Bellis Hair Restoration. I am Coach Malaika, holistic nutrition health coach, menopause hair restoration expert. And one thing I have learned, oh ladies, hear me out. One thing I have learned on why I'm working or with women is this. And this is through my experience, okay, working with women. Is that many women think they have a hair problem. Look, me ladies, no. When they actually have a nutrient depletion problem. That was me years ago. Because hair follicles are highly sensitive. Let's just be honest. They respond quickly to stress, to hormone, inflammation, nutrient deficiency, poor circulation, internal imbalance. And just what? And iron deficiency is one of the biggest hidden contributor to chronic shedding that many women completely overlook, especially women in perimenopause or the transition of menopause and postpartum, under chronic stress, dealing with heavy cycle, dieting frequency, or struggling with gut issues. If you have all of this, trust me, your hair will suffer. Like, we can't, there's no any other way. Now, let me simply put it this way. Iron help carry oxygen throughout the body, okay? And your hair follicles require oxygen to function properly. Now you get where I'm going? Healthy growing hair follicles are metabolically active. Meaning what? They need fuel. But when iron becomes low, the body started just what? Conserving resources. Because, again, the body will prioritize survival first. So what happens? The follicles may receive just what? Less oxygen, less nourishment, less support for healthy growing cycle, and over time, hair may begin just what? Shedding excessively, thinning, weakening, growing slower, refusing to retain length. And here is what many women don't realize. Are you ready? Hear me, come closer. Sometimes, you can technically be within normal range. Don't get me wrong. This shocked me myself. And still not have optimal level for healthy hair growth. You hear this? That is why symptoms matters. See, when God created the body, He designed everything. I promise. And some of us, we don't even know that, ladies, hear me. We cannot even digest the iron in the first place. That was my testimony. That was my issue. See, the common symptom of low iron is what? Let's break it down. Because I want you to know. Excessive hair shedding, chronic fatigue, dizziness, cold hands and feet, weakness, pale skin, brittle nail, brain fog, ladies, forgot quickly, headache, shortening of breath. You climb the stair 2 to 3, you feel like the elephant just chased you, or you chase the elephant. low energy, difficulty concentrating, and many women normalize this symptom for years. Oh, this is the way I just function. Oh, my body used to do like this. I'm kind of used to. Especially busy women, especially mothers, caregivers, women in burnout, women pushing through exhaustion every single day. But the body keeps score. And eventually, the hair start reflecting what is happening internally. Ladies, queen, listen to me. This is why you and I are in this position. This is why you are where you are right now. I used to be there, but I'm not there anymore. Now, this conversation become even more important during perimenopause, menopause, and postmenopause. Because hormonal shift already place stress in the body. And then add nutrient depletion stress, poor sleep, gut dysfunction, inflammation, and the follicles become even more vulnerable. And here is another issue. Are you ready for this one? Some women are taking supplements. Oh yes, faithfully. Like you're doing it faithfully, consistent. But their body is not absorbing nutrient efficiently. This is where gut health matters, okay? Because if digestion is compromised, think about it. You ain't get anything. You may struggle to absorb just what iron, zinc, B vitamin, protein, and other nutrients important for healthy hair or healthy hair growth. So this is bigger than what you think. Just take a supplement, we have to support the entire internal system. It's bigger than that. Some of us, we are not even digesting that iron. And make the matter worse. If iron is low, your vitamin D is low as well. And D is actually hormone. We have to support the entire internal environment. One thing I have to learn personally is this. It was that exhaustion is not normal. See, I used to believe that for years. Like, oh yeah, I'm working a lot, so no. Let's stop right there. Exhaustion, ladies, is not normal. So many women are surviving on stress hormone. Coffee. Ooh, let me just grab down one. Ooh, I need that. People used to, oh, I need this one right now because even I can't function during the day. Sugar. Anyone? Adrenal. Pushing through fatigue. And meanwhile, the body is quietly depleted. I remember reaching a point. Oh my Lord. I realized my body did not need punishment. It needs support. And that mindset changes. Like it change how I approach healing. Instead of obsessing over product only, I started focusing now on nourishment, mineral support, quality protein, gut health, stress reduction, hydration is very important. I can't stress this enough, ladies. Hormonal balance, and restoring the body internally. Because, see, healthy hair starts with a supported body. That's why that gut health is very important, ladies. It's critical. Now, let me be clear. If you suspect low iron or severe deficiency, please work with a qualified healthcare professional for proper testing and guidance. Is very important. But generally speaking, supporting the body may include focusing on iron-rich food, protein intake, vitamin C-rich food, gut health. What vitamin-rich food does actually help to absorb the iron. And you can also take your iron with vitamin C. Like for me, my body doesn't digest it. I have to do that. Reducing inflammation, improving sleep, lowering chronic stress, ladies. Nourishing meal instead of restrictive dieting. And one thing that I want women to stop doing is this. Starving themselves in the name of wellness. Because see, your follicles need nourishment to thrive. You cannot build healthy hair from depletion. It won't happen. Because your body needs nutrients. The body is speaking. Are you listening? And honestly, ladies, I think many women are carrying silence. Exhaustion, still functioning, still serving everyone, still showing up for everyone. But internally, their body is waving a white flag. Like, hey, please help me. And sometimes hair thinning is not vanity, ladies. No. Sometimes it's the body way of saying, I need support. I need nourishment. I need restoration. And there is wisdom in learning to listen before the body screams louder. That just makes me think about something. I remember when my body was screaming louder. Oh, he went straight. He let me know. Ladies, see, if this video help you understand your hair differently, comment below. Nourishment matters. And if you're a woman over 35 dealing with thinning hair, hormonal changes, chronic shedding, fatigue, or perimenopause-related hair loss, make sure you subscribe to Queen Bellis Hair Restoration. Because here, we don't just chase products, ladies. No. We help women understand the body behind the hair. It's very important to me. I know it's very important to you as well. Just what I am on mission. I am inviting you now to book a 15-minute complimentary session with me to see where you are right now, and I can show where it is possible, where you want to be. Again, this is Coach Malaika, menopause hair restoration expert. And ladies, I will see you in the next video. Ciao for now.